Hala.
Good girl. This one. Telephone. This one. Yeah. Yes. Zebra. Here. Where is the duck? Duck. Good girl. Where is the ant? Ant. Yes. Use your finger and. Good, Eden. Where's the ice cream? Yum yum. Ice cream. Ice cream. Yum yum. Where's the ice cream? Ice cream. Here. Ice cream. Yeah. Where's the bus? Bus. Good, Eden. Where's the chair? Good. Where is the goat? Goat, Eden. Goat. Meh. Good girl. Hat. Where is the hat? Good. Where's the moon? There's the moon. Where's the kite? Where's the pencil? Good girl. Where's the train? Toot toot. Yeah, that's the train. Where is the flower? Flower in the vase. Flower. Yeah, that's a flower. Where's the star? Yo-yo. Star. Yeah. Where is the shark? Good girl. Rabbit. Yeah, that's the rabbit. Where's the elephant? Where's the elephant? Oh, stand up. Where's the elephant? There. Good. Where's the frog? Kukak. Yay! Where's the pig? Oink. Pig. Yeah. Where's the cow? Good girl. How about the chicken? Yes, the dog. Ow. Yeah. Where is the cat? Where's the snake? Yeah. Where's the bag? Easy. Good girl. Elephant with the baby. Yeah, that's right. Oh, thank you so much, Eden. That's it. Mwah.